RDDT stock analysis and RDDT stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. You know, I'm the only guy in the space that's done 46,000 videos and has proof of everything. So I've seen what's working for me and what's not, especially here with Reddit. It's pumping, which I like. And really, I would only really buy again if I see a solid shift, a solid double break. So how's this going to look like? I'll just get rid of this stuff. Let me mark up this as well. There you go. So how I would trade this is only really buy as long as it pulls down and then gives me a double break. I wouldn't just for like randomly buy it or anything. I just would prefer a correction. And if I do not see that correction, then so be it. You know, like I'm not gonna cry, run after it or anything. No, I'm just still gonna stick to my strategy. So if you want to stay tuned, if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. We'll continue to keep you updated. Bye bye.